combo pack. So this is a video for my unboxing of my newly acquired Osmo Mobile 3 here in Japan. So I've been planning to buy this for a very long time since it came out recently. So let's go start unboxing. It's quite hard. How is this? Oh, there. The sound of a freshly wrapped product. So included in the Osmo Mobile 3 combo pack is a bag and a DJI bag, carrying bag, and a carrying case, and a tripod, DJI tripod. So let's open this. Why are these products very hard to open? Okay. Let's smell a new open box. That smells good. Whoa, cool. So I think we've got the case, carrying case. Nice. It's a hard case, by the way. Osmo DJI is written on it. Wow, it's a nice case. So what's inside the box? Let's put the box aside. How can we open this? It's been a while since I opened a DJI product. My first DJI product, by the way, was a Phantom 3 drone back in 2017, I think. So a USB Type-C, and then what more is in this case? Okay, the manual, which nobody reads, so let's set this aside. What more? Hey, what's this? Oh, okay. I think these are the pads for the tripod, so you can see. And I think this is the tripod. Yeah, the DJI tripod. Oh, it's quite sturdy and thick. And then it has quite a weight on it. Okay, on the other side, what's this? Oh, a lanyard, I think. That's what it called, I think. DJI. Next one, finally, no more. What's this? Okay, it's like another bag, but it's a soft case. Carrying soft case, yeah. It's like a dust bag, which also says Osmo DJI. Okay, let's set this aside. So, all in all, we've got... Oh, by the way, the gimbal itself. So, let's open the carrying case. Here it is. fresh out of the case. So let's read. Oh, okay. It's quite scary. Turn it on. Oh, by the way, there's already a charge for it. So cool. So that's it. That's the unboxing for the new DJI Osmo Mobile 3. gimbal stabilizer with the combo pack with the hard case, carrying case, the tripod, and what you call this, soft case, USB Type C, and yeah, that's all. That's only the unboxing. The review will be on the next video. Bye. Thanks.